The purpose of Biophase.com is to customize nutrition plans, exercise routines, and also give the ability for your gym to generate product sales through the supplements as well as the branding. We're going to go through a quick consultation right now. If you go to the login section, you'll notice there are two login screens. The first is your nutrition section. We're going to get to that in a minute. The second is your training section. This is where we find the trim consultation. The trim consultation stands for where we want to find the client's total calories, their right ratios, their ideal weight, and then their muscle to fat index. There are several links at the top. We're going to start with the trim consultation. There are several questions that you can ask your client. How did they hear about us? You see a box there that's listed. The next is their contact information. This is very important as they get their first name, their last name, their phone number, as well as their email address. Make sure that email address is valid. Show them, make sure that this is where their nutrition and exercise plans need to be sent. You'll have four sections right here trying to find what the client's current stats are. What is the main reason that brought them to this site? What is their activity level according to exercise? Are they a person that tends to have more carbs in their diets, fats, or is it both? Do you normally eat breakfast? The purpose of this section is to decide if they eat breakfast or if they don't. If they do not, there is going to be listed on their menus a nutrition supplementation to make sure that they receive their 5 meals a day. This is the personal information: their date of birth, their height, their weight, their age, their gender, and their activity level. With the help of these questions, we're going to determine the person's current MFI, which is their muscle to fat index. Make sure that you select their current goal. Is it to lose weight or gain weight? Their height, weight, age, gender, and activity level. By hitting the Go box, you will now see the client's summary page. At the beginning, you will see their MFI, their current, and their healthy. You'll see a box right here that says to view their chart. This is where they're currently at and where they want to be. The yellow represents the absolute best. The black is where they're currently at, and then your blue shade is their healthy weight range. The information provided on the left is the information that the client has given to you. The information provided on the right is their detailed summary of where they're currently at, where they want to be, and with the help of the software, we can bridge that gap. The time frame for this person to achieve their goal is listed, everything that is in bold, the amount of time that is taken, that will need to be taken to lose the weight, as well as to maintain that current physique. As you scroll through, you will also see the client's total calorie intake that is needed to achieve that goal, plus their protein to carb ratio. We have also listed a sample meal plan that will help them to achieve that goal as well. This is a week's worth of meals. There will be 5 meals per day, and they will also see the supplementation for them to achieve their goals or help to achieve their goals. At the bottom of the page, you will see that there is different phases. Phase 1, rehabilitation bands. Phase 2 are the bands and limited free weights. And then Phase 3 is a full health club membership. You will need to select the training package. Make sure that expiration date is valid with the training package that the client has selected. The red bold simply asks, did the client purchase a training package? If they did, select yes. If they didn't, select no. Once that is selected, you will need to give the client a password. Do not give the client the password. This is just activating their account. Usually what we do is their first or their last name. Once that is done, go up to your client box, find the client for their that has just been entered into as the consultation. You'll notice that there are several colors that are assigned to this screen: greens, reds, and blacks. The black simply means that the client has completed their training package or that their training package has expired. The red means that the exercise or the nutrition plans need to be done, and the green means that the training plans have been sent to the client. Once we have found the client, hit edit, and then you will run through the different steps on your left-hand side. Step 1, we need to find the client's allergic or dislike foods, also their favorite foods, and their dislike or favorite exercises. Step 2, we build the nutrition plan. Go to the nutrition link that says new. Once we've selected their dislike or allergic foods, you're going to want to go to the first box which says new food menu. By doing this, it is now generating a nutrition plan for your client based off of their consultation stats. Once we've done that, you will then need to build their exercise routine. Based off of the exercises dislikes that we have selected, you'll then scroll down to view the exercise program, the third box down. At the very bottom, you will see an archive program. This is where the nutrition and the exercise routines are hardwired into the system. It gives a date and a time of when those programs were submitted. Also on this page, you'll see a list of notes. This is where the trainer can put the stats of their client, updates, any problems that they might have with their nutrition and their exercise routines, and those will be submitted back, and the updates can be forwarded then onto your client. One of the best features that we have is that these nutrition plans and the exercise routines are personally branded to your health club. You'll notice at the top you will have your logo, the menu, the personalized caloric intake, as well as the ratios that will help them to achieve their goal. Plus, you'll also see at the bottom of every nutrition exercise routine contact information that if nutrition plans or exercise routines need to be updated or changed.